All right. I would say I'll buttress on being indecisive. Um, you see, the ladies will say, the guy doesn't look ready, or he's not ready and he's coming. But are you ready? Are you ready yourself? And then for ladies who come into their season, like I believe for ladies there are seasons where you come in where it is your season just opens, and then you discover that there is Mr. A, B, C, D, E, F all lined up, and then you are not even your spirituality, your spirit man is not even heightened enough to and then you are playing the game of having options. You're just there, and the one that looks like it, you love, and then the one that God is saying, that God is directing you to this one, but you don't love that one. It's the one that does not love you that you are going for. And I'm like, what's the problem? Like, why? Why? And then secondly is not I would say coming under somebody who you have said yes to, in a way. Okay, you know where this person is coming from. You know who this person is. You know his values. But yet, because you have so many ladies have idolized comfort, they see it as somewhere in their heart, I cannot be doing this with you. For example, a brother that is bent on prayer, you are the one praying for God to give you a prayerful man, and then you meet somebody that is prayerful. Let's go for prayers 2 hours, 3 hours. You are complaining. I cannot do this with you. It gets to the point where it becomes quarrel. Right? Okay, God-fearing man, you meet a brother that his consecration is fasting like particular days, and then it's on that day that your wahala starts. And I would say for guys who are very emotional, it takes the grace of God, and then it takes guys who are like, I would say, broken and dead to love like Christ, to who God have really opened their eyes to see, okay, this is your woman, to actually stay. If not, we'll keep going through circles.
Let's clap for Jerry.